Okay, well, it's been a few days and this thing is gonna basically explode from stinkiness.
No!
But let's crack open the the 5 unhatched eggs. I don't even want to open it. Let's put my hair away so that it doesn't smell like asshole. Ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Just gonna not breathe with my nose at all, ever. Okay. Bon appetit! Just kidding, that's disgusting. All right, kids, you ready? All right, there's a baby in here, but it's not alive anymore, guys. Yeah, it didn't make the hatching. It wasn't strong enough. So we're gonna open it up and then we'll say goodbye to it, okay? Okay. It was, but it didn't make it. Okay, we say bye, baby chick. Okay, see it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not alive anymore.
No. And that one.
This was just nasty. Anyway, that's gross.
Disgusting. No.
Very disgusting.
No.
Okay, again, this is just, oh, there it is. Back up, guys, it's too sticky, back up. Okay, another situation where pretty sure whatever was here, it's been long enough now that it has, there it is, it's very small. Last one. Ooh, this feels like a chick. This feels like there's a...
This shit?
Oh, no, maybe not.
Maybe not.
Okay, so I am pretty okay with these findings. So only 1 out of the 5 was actually quite developed. So unfortunately, this one's pretty tiny though. So the ones that I've usually like post-mortem looked like they died just hours before hatching, but this one's pretty small. So I want to say this is like day 17 or 18 versus 21 is when they hatch. So anyway, there's the science, and that's it. Now I can get rid of these stinky eggs. So let's say bye to the chick.
Bye, okay. It's really, really sad.
Yes, it's really, really dead.
It does honey. What is that? What is that bites in?
That's its yolk.
Oh.
It eats the yolk before it's born.
Oh.
It's like it's food and water.
Yes.
Cool, right? Okay, bye chick.
Bye, kid.